reversible reaction represents like this also. So this is also double-headed arrow. So this one convert into 2 moles of ammonia and H3 gaseous state only. So this is another reaction. Next, third one. So when the sulfur dioxide reaction with the oxygen, right? Sulfur dioxide reaction with the oxygen. So that one convert into sulfur trioxide, right? Sulfur trioxide formation. So sulfur trioxide formation means, so here all are the gaseous state only existing. All compounds or elements existing in the gaseous state only. For example, 2 moles of sulfur dioxide at a gaseous state, it is reaction with oxygen at a gaseous state. Both are equilibrium with each other. That means equilibrium with each other means, so forward and backward both reactions are taking place. That's why that represents equilibrium also. So that is leave it that word. Just both are convert into 2 moles of sulfur trioxide at gaseous state only. So this one also represents reversible reaction examples. So these are the examples of the reversible reactions. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, but how can they come back to the how do they come back to their original form again? Like now
So what happens here?
CHCl3. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happens here? In this case, when the nitrogen hydrogen reaction with in the forward direction, it is a exothermic reaction. Okay, the forward
It
direction
releases
is
heat. Yeah.
exothermic reaction. It releases some amount of energy. So after the formation of the ammonia in the closed vessel, so what happens? This one again absorb that much of energy.
Okay.
Okay, so this one need to break the bonds in between the ammonia molecule, so that released energy, this one again absorbed, and this one is converted into nitrogen and hydrogen.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So that is the reversible reaction in closed vessel only, like these all reactions in closed vessel.
Closed vessel. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So next
uh,
one is the
sir
Harshit.
can sir can carbon plus oxygen if it is done in the closed vessel, can it be reversed, sir?
Which one, ma?
Carbon plus
First
oxygen.
Carbon
one.
and
Yes,
oxygen.
sir.
Yes, yes. It is in open vessel only, na.
Can it be reversed
So
if it is
based on
closed
the
vessel?
yes, it's possible, na. So it requires some amount of energy. So decomposition of carbon dioxide means this one again gives carbon and oxygen only.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
So
Got it.
now, in the second one, when ammonium is formed, it
Mm.
undergoes exothermic reaction now, sir. Then when it is again getting
Yes,
back
ma.
to its hydrogen plus ammonia,
This one is
endothermic will it?
exothermic is converted into endothermic.
Yes, sir. That was
This one is endo. So forward is exothermic. Reversible or the backward reaction is endothermic. So next is the neutralization reactions. So what is meant by neutralization reactions? So already we know that what is meant by neutralization reaction. So what is meant by neutralization reactions? Neutralization reactions.
so I think when as acids and bases combine, it
Bases.
gives out
Yeah.
salts.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So an acid combines with a base to produce salt and water as products.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
very good. Such kind of reactions only in neutralization reactions. So that neutralization reactions are always exothermic reactions. Remember that one also. Okay, that reactions are exothermic reactions. That point also very important. So next another one, see now. So that is neutralization reactions. Right. An acid combines with base. So what happened, ma? With the base
To like to produce salt and water.
Products are salts and water.
to produce salts and water to form salts and water as products.
Sir, sometimes they
Okay,
even
such kind.
liberate hydrogen now, sir.
No, no, ma. It's not possible in neutralization reaction. Why? Because acid means it has a hydrogen. Base has the OH minus ions. H plus ions and OH minus ions always liberates water molecule.
Okay, sir.
Acid and base reactions. But if you observe in that, any metal is reaction with acid, right?
Yes, sir.
If any metal is reaction with acid, that time it liberates the hydrogen gas.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So in this, so it is a, it is an exothermic reaction. Okay, this one is an exothermic reaction. That means it liberates the some amount of energy.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so
we
for
can
example,
even tell it
when
as
base
heat
is
now,
reaction,
sir. Liberates heat and like,
liberates heat means releasing of energy only now.
yes.
Liberation, that means releasing of energy. Example is, so when NaOH reaction with the HCl, so this one is acid and this one is base, so both are combined to give you neutralization. Neutral, that means
NaCl.
NaCl, salt plus, very good, plus heat also liberates. Okay, so that one note down.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. So next one is the precipitation reactions. Okay. Next one is precipitation reactions. So precipitation reactions means, so in these reactions, any two salt solutions combines to form a insoluble product, right? Insoluble product as a product. Okay, those are produced an insoluble product. Insoluble means It does not dissolve in water.
Which doesn't dissolve. Yeah.
Doesn't dissolve in water. So that kind of reactions are called here precipitation reactions. Okay, precipitation reactions. So PPT, that one represents insoluble product. In these reactions, insoluble substance formed as a product. Okay, insoluble substance formed as a product. Such kind of reactions are called precipitation reactions. So this one is that insoluble substance means this one. It is also called PPT also. PPT. It is the shortcut name PPT, precipitation. Okay. So what is the general example of the precipitation reactions? Precipitation reaction. For example, sodium chloride solution, that is aqueous form of this one. Okay, sodium chloride, AQ represents, this is a sodium chloride solution. That means salt in water, right? Salt in water. That is called aqueous form of our sodium chloride. Is reaction with silver nitrate solution. This one also salt. Silver nitrate is also salt. So it is dissolved in water. This is also solution. These two are the solutions. When these are combined to gives
NaNO3
good,
HCl
very good. NaNO3. This is the aqueous form. Sodium nitrate is the aqueous form, but AgCl is the, yes, it is represents insoluble product. This arrow represents, this downwards arrow represents PPT, insoluble product into the solution. So like this reactions represents PPT, precipitation reactions. So now complete the another reaction I will give you. When H2SO4 aqueous form of this one reaction with the barium chloride aqueous solution. Complete it. So complete this reaction. Okay, note down up to this, and last it is complete that reaction. So what is the what are the products?
So is it HCl plus
Mm.
BaCl2?
Yes, yes,
No,
BaSO.
HCl plus barium sulfate.
Very good, very
BaSO
good. BaSO4. So
taken
here,
twice.
which one taken twice?
SO4, sir.
No, ma. What is the charge of barium plus 2?
Plus
SO4
2.
also, SO4 minus 2. So both are
Okay.
neutralized, na?
HCl plus
BaSO4.
BaSO4.
Okay, 2 moles of HCl directly, 2 HCl.
Balance.
So BaSO4 is PPT in this reaction, same like solid, and represents the downwards arrow. BaSO4. Okay, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So next, another one, chemical changes only, that one also. Another types of the reactions, part 4. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3, this one. Next, part 4. So what is that? Part 4, chemical changes. So already we know that redox reactions. Redox reactions. So what is that representation? Before going to that, so we have to learn oxidation reactions, reduction reactions, then go to that redox reactions, right? So this is another one, another chemical change, right? Chemical change, part 4, right? Right, chemical changes. Next one is the heading redox reactions. So in this, before going to this redox reactions, so the first one is the oxidation reactions. So oxidation reactions means what ma? Oxidation reactions means. So generally, oxidation means okay. So in this, so first point in this, oxidation reaction means addition of oxygen, right? What is that ma? First, addition of oxygen. If you add oxygen to any group, okay, any group, that kind of reaction is nothing but oxidation reaction. Next are removal of hydrogen, right? So look here and listen carefully. Addition of oxygen is always oxidation reaction. Same, removal of hydrogen is also nothing but oxidation reaction. Okay, oxidation reaction. So removal of hydrogen. So these two are also very, very important. Addition of oxygen, removal of the hydrogen. So same, if you observe in this case, addition of oxygen, same as like addition of any electronegative atom also, right? Another one is addition of electronegative element. Understood now? That one also. Or the number of definitions are there, ma. Addition of electronegative atom or element. Electronegative element is also called as the oxidation reactions, or other one, removal of
Electrons.
here hydrogen na? So removal of electropositive element. Electropositive element. Next, another definition.
Sir, can we say
Or
loss of electrons?
Atma?
Can we say loss of electrons?
Very good.
Loss or
Very good.
removal of electrons.
Very good, ma. Loss of electrons, right?
Yes, sir.
Losses of electrons. So totally 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 totally. So these all definitions are belongs to oxidation reactions. Okay, oxidation reactions. So in these oxidation reactions, so example. Okay, first one I will give you first example for addition of oxygen only. Example. So generally we know that when carbon is reaction with oxygen, this one convert into carbon dioxide. So what happened here? Addition of oxygen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, addition
Yes,
of
sir.
oxygen to carbon. So that reaction is called oxidation reaction. Okay, so this
So
is
now,
the
sir,
general only.
carbon is oxidized.
Yes, carbon is oxidized. Very good. So then last I will give you that conclusion. Okay, first I will give you the number of examples also. So next example, same like addition of oxygen only. When the sodium is reaction with oxygen. Okay, when sodium is reaction with oxygen, so this one convert into Na2O, sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. Here Na2O is present. So two oxygens here present. Here also two. 2 2 is 4 means 4 moles of sodium. Reaction with oxygen. This one gives sodium oxide. That means addition of oxygen to this one. So this reaction is called oxidation reaction, right? Oxidation reaction. So next, for example, iron is reaction with chlorine. So what is the product, ma? When iron is reaction with chlorine?
FeCl.
FeCl2.
Fe.
FeCl2.
So here in these reactions, 2 moles of iron is always involves. So this one involves at the time 3 moles of chlorine. So total it is 2 moles of FeCl3, right? Ferric chloride. Ferric chloride formation is the. So what is the observation here? Chlorine is electronegative atom. Understood na?
Yes, sir.
This one addition of electronegative element. So chlorine is the electronegative element. This one is added to iron. So the reaction is called oxidation reaction. Okay, oxidation reaction. So the next one here, for example, I am taking now one alcohol group C2H5OH. One alcohol, that is C2H5OH. This one is the ethyl alcohol. In the presence of copper and heat at 300 degrees centigrade temperature, at this condition only, this one removes the what hydrogen molecule, right? Removal of hydrogen from that. So ethyl alcohol remove the hydrogen molecule from that group. It is converted into, so here CH3 CHO plus hydrogen gas. So what happened, ma, in this case?
Hydrogen is liberated.
That means what it is? Removal or not from this compound?
Yes, sir. Remove.
From this compound, hydrogen is removed. So removal of hydrogen is also nothing but oxidation reaction.
Oxidation.
Oxidation. This is also another kind of. So the next, for example, I'm taking here Hg2Cl2. One more example, Hg2Cl2. So in this case, what happens? one mercury group is removed from the given compound. How to write? It is converted into Hg plus HgCl2. Hg plus HgCl2. So Hg is the metal or not? Mercury is metal or not?
Yes, sir. It is a metal.
It is a metal,
It
sir.
is a metal. That means it is metal means it is electropositive or negative.
Electropositive, sir.
Electropositive. So this one, removal of electropositive element, right? Last one, last definition, electropositive atom, removal of a electropositive element is called also oxidation reaction. So in these all reactions, so that another definition is losses of electrons. So how to identify that losses of electrons? If you observe in this case, so oxygen -2, already we know that the charge of oxygen is valency, ma, valency.
Minus
-2, good.
Yes, so
So
minus two.
-2 means how many? -2. So how many oxygen atoms are present?
2,
2. 2, 2 ja?
4.
-4 totally. If you observe in this case, the complete charge of oxygen here -4. So what about the carbon? +4 automatically.
Yeah.
Okay, that time only it is neutralized. But if you observe in this case, it is solid state only it is existing. It is the neutral. What is the charge of neutral species? 0. Very good. So this
0.
one 0. So this one also 0 or not? Why? Because it is a molecular state only. Okay, this one also neutral here. But here what happens? Both are combined to form a molecule. So in that molecule, so it is 0 to +4. This carbon convert into what happened here? 0 is convert into +4. That represents gaining of electron, losing of electron.
Gaining of electrons.
What ma?
Gaining of electrons.
Gaining of
Gaining? No, 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 no. So here, look here, all of you. So this plus represents here. This sign is represent lose. So this much of electrons are lose. So here 0 to +4 represents means 4 electrons are removed. Okay, remember all of you, this plus sign here represents removal of electrons. How many electrons are removed here?
4.
How many ma?
4, sir.
4.
4 electrons. So this is the losing of or loss of electrons here taking place or not?
Yes, sir.
So this
But in
reaction is
this
called here.
with carbon, na, sir, it's losing.
Yes ma, carbon.
Oxygen, it's gaining in carbon dioxide, na, sir.
So this one is losing taking place here. This one is gaining taking place. Both are combined to form this one carbon dioxide.
Okay.
Okay. When the carbon is converted into carbon dioxide form is oxidation reaction.
Yes, sir.
So just generally. So here also sodium is converted into Na2O. Each oxygen here means it is -2. Automatically this one is +2. So it is 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
0.
Yes.
Okay, so 0 to +2 means losing of 2 electrons that one represents. So this one also oxidation reaction. So here also iron is 0 state, but if you observe in this case what happens, each chlorine -1, so it is -3, it is +3. So losing of 3 electrons, iron lose 3 electrons. So in this case what happens here, removal of hydrogen is directly it is not possible to identify that losing of electrons are like that. So I will explain in that organic part, that is okay. So Hg to Cl2, So in this case, Hg2Cl2, what is the charge of mercury? In this case,
2.
each chlorine minus 1 means 2 present minus 2. Here it is, means 2 metal and non-metal is present. So each chlorine containing here minus 1, right? Each one present here minus 1. So automatically each mercury containing plus 1 charge. So 2 present now. If you cancel these 2 HgCl only. Okay, HgCl. So each chlorine minus 1, that one mercury has plus 1. So now Hg2 convert into here HgCl2. Here each chlorine minus 1 means 2 into minus 1 minus 2, it is plus 2. So plus 1 is converted into plus 2 state. Okay, plus 1 is converted into plus 2. So in this case, plus 1 to plus 2 represents 1 electron is loss. Plus 1 to plus 2 means 1 electron loss. So only I'm explaining. Reduction reaction also possible in this case. Okay, that one explain later. Okay, first note down ma. Understood na all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Ma.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. Okay. Ma. So next, what is the conclusion here? So the oxidation reactions are chemical reactions in which one of the substance is oxidized. Okay, or reactant. So what is that here? Conclusion: one of the reactant is oxidized or not.
Yes, sir.
Understood now, Manda? That point is very, very important. That is conclusion. So oxidation reactions. Oxidation reactions are chemical reactions in which one of the reactants is oxidized. Okay, one of the one only. So in this case, if you observe, carbon is oxidized. Same like that only. This is the conclusion. Okay, next one is the second one. Reduction reactions. Reduction reactions. So what is that meaning of reduction reactions? So reduction reactions means same like before one only. So
Loss.
in that case, addition of oxygen, but in this case, addition of a hydrogen is called reduction, right? Addition of hydrogen. Then same as like addition of electropositive atom. So in the previous one, oxidation means removal of electropositive, but here addition of electropositive, and removal of oxygen and removal of electronegative atom, and gaining of electrons. So these are explains the reduction reactions. So first, addition of hydrogen or sorry, electropositive element. Okay, electropositive element, or that another one is removal of oxygen or electronegative element, or so gaining of electrons, right? Gaining of electrons. So this is the definition of that one. So what is the general example? I will give you example first. For example, here copper oxide is reaction with the
Sir,
carbon.
is it
Okay?
loss of gaining of electrons? Okay.
Yes, loss of electrons means that is oxidation. Here gaining of electrons means a reduction. So in this
Okay.
case, when the copper oxide is reaction with the carbon, so what happens in this case? So it is converted into copper plus carbon monoxide, right? That means here oxygen is removed or not? Removal of oxygen. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that one represents from this compound oxygen is removed. So oxygen is removed means this process is called the reduction reaction, right? One of the reactant, okay, reduced. One of the reactant is reduced. So next here another example, when Cl2 is reaction with H2S, when Cl2 reaction with H2, yes. So what happens? Cl2 reaction with H2S, 2HCl plus sulfur. Okay, 2HCl plus sulfur.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is also an example. Next one, sodium reaction with the hydrogen. Okay, sodium reaction with the hydrogen reaction. For example, when sodium is reaction with the hydrogen, this one convert into sodium hydride. So 2 moles are present, this one too, this one also 2 moles. So here addition of hydrogen taking place or not? Addition of hydrogen, this one. Addition of hydrogen. So in this case also, here hydrogen is added to this chlorine part, HCl.
Yeah, sir.
So in the same, here removal of the electronegative element. In this case also, if you observe, sulfur is electronegative atom, it is removed. Removal of electronegative atom. So that is also reaction of the reduction reaction. So the next same like copper react with the cupric chloride. When copper is reaction with the cupric chloride, CuCl2, this one convert into Cu2Cl2, same as like before one mercuric chloride, same this one, right? Cu plus CuCl2, it is converted into Cu2Cl2, Cu2Cl2. So this one also example of the, so here what happens here, addition of hydrogen or electropositive atom. So copper is the electropositive atom. Okay, this one is added to this compound, electropositive atom addition to this compound. This reaction is called here reduction reaction.
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
next another one is, for example, Fe plus 3 is present, for example, in the form of plus 3, addition of one electron, it convert into Fe plus 2. Okay, so it is plus 3, it required 3 electrons. This one, this iron required 3 electrons. How many electrons are added here?
One, sir.
Only one. So this is the negative charge, this is the positive. So negative plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1
Yes.
plus 2 na?
Yes.
Plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. That means this compound, this plus 3 state of iron gain 1 electron, it convert into plus 2 state. So gaining of electron, this one. Gaining of electron is called reduction reaction. So once note down this.
Noted, sir, already.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Noted.
Noted down. Okay, ma. Good. So tomorrow I will explain the only redox reactions. So this is about the oxidation and reduction. Tomorrow I will explain redox reaction and which one is actually as the oxidizing agent, which one is actually as a reducing agent. That one also very, very important. So I will finish it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Just 10 to 15 minutes class. Then next I will explain the another chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mom. Okay, mom. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, mom. Shall I end? Shall we?